Yeah, so I appreciate everybody coming out today and taking time away from work. We came in from Austin because it's an important event. Everything that Omar brings from Washington, most people don't get to listen to or be a part of. So I appreciate you guys making that commitment. Anybody here has not signed up for the golf outing yet? Let me see those hands. Are you guys going to sign up now after today, hopefully? It's going to be fun. It's going to be a better event this year than last year, and last year was a lot of fun. Like Lisa said, I've been in manufacturing my whole life. I started out 18. My dad's a retired machinist. I've been around this my entire life now, 23 years, almost 24 years. So I'm just glad to be a part of the metal forming industry, promote PMA, and really focusing next year on memberships and bringing more people in, because the information that's shared at these events and shared through the PMA is so valuable that we just want to get more people involved and part of it. Has anybody seen Omar speak before? Okay, you guys are, besides Lisa, you guys are in for a good treat. So Omar Nashashibi is the founding partner of Franklin Partnership, the bipartisan Washington, D.C. based government relations firm that represents PMA's interests before Congress and the administration. Omar has more than 20 years of experience working with policymakers, politicians, and the media. Prior to Franklin Partnerships, Omar worked for the Office of Management and Budget. Earlier in his career, he served as a research assistant at the Institute for Public Accuracy, promoting policy to the media. In 1995, he began his career in Washington, D.C., covering congressional and agency hearings for a nationwide nonprofit publication. So take it away, Omar.
Thank you. Appreciate you having me. And I'll try to make this as less painful as possible. So like when I talk to my kids, they say, "Is that good, Dad?" I say, "No, it's just less bad sometimes." And so news from Washington isn't always that great. I'll try to put it in terms of where hopefully you can use it in your shops. On behalf of the industry, what I currently do is, my job is to be your voice. But again, this is a six-figure slide if we can get it through, and that's what we've been working so hard to get it done. As you can see, it was overwhelmingly bipartisan in the House of Representatives. We got it through there by a vote of 357 to 70. We got it through the Tax Writing Committee by a vote of 40 to 3. Well, I appreciate you having me. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you.
Yeah, and then there's also a famous saying that says, "Give away for free what others make you pay for." So if my free content is better than what people force people to pay for, that's when you know that you've really reached the point where you're really giving it away. The people that resonate with the content, they'll find you eventually. But if you do a lie, expect nobody to show up and expect no comments. But you have to do it like, I think I've done 87, 88 lives in the last year and a half. No, it was great. I appreciate it. Safe travels back. 6 o'clock. Time to head out. All right, so we just got done with the PMA One Voice event. Did you like it, Taylor?
It was incredible.
It was incredible. Whoa.
I feel like I learned so much.
So long day, long driving, right? We went 4 hours up here, 3-hour event, 4 hours back to Austin, getting back in town about 10 o'clock. But it's an important event because bringing Omar in from DC to talk about policy and changes that are happening and how the politics and movements are going to affect manufacturing is important. Those guys got a lot of good information from the event. But if you're not part of these associations, then you're not going to be able to have ready access to that. So if you're in metal forming and in the state of Texas, join the PMA Lone Star. Come this May, I'm going from being the vice chair to the chair, and I've got a 2-year term, and we're going to blow this up. I want hundreds of members, 5 to 7 events like this a year. Taylor's going to be the administrator now.
Taylor's the administrator, at least for a year. You're locked in for a year. But it's good to like get everybody together to network, right? It was fun.
Yeah, it was a great event.
You get to meet new people.
Learned a lot about what's going on the Hill and how that's going to affect manufacturing.
And the new OSHA policies
Yeah.
that they're trying to pass, and
Workforce policies, labor department, rules and regulations.
that's what it's all about. So short mic'd up episode because we can't show you all of the stuff because you're not part of the PMA and you didn't register for the event, man. But if you did, then you can get the full 1.5 hour presentation. So if you're in metal forming, join the PMA. If you're in Lone Star District, you definitely need to join because then you're part of our team and we're going to tear it up. And that's a wrap.